Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Best Trade School Minute. Today we're going to guide you through the steps to become a welder in Pennsylvania. Welding is a high-demand skill that involves joining metal parts together using heat. If you're detail-oriented, enjoy working with your hands, and have a knack for precision, welding could be the perfect career for you. Let's get started on the steps you need to take. Step 1. Education and training. To become a welder, you'll need a high school diploma or GED. Next, enroll in a welding program at a community college, vocational school, or technical institute. These programs typically last from a few months to 2 years and cover welding techniques, safety practices, and blueprint reading. Step 2. Gain hands-on experience. Most welding programs include practical training where you'll practice your skills in a controlled environment. Look for programs that offer internships or apprenticeships to gain real-world experience. Step 3. Get certified. While certification is not mandatory in Pennsylvania, it can significantly enhance your job prospects. The American Welding Society offers various certification levels that demonstrate your skills and knowledge to potential employers. Step 4. Apply for jobs. With your education, hands-on experience, and certification, you're ready to enter the job market. Welders are needed in industries such as construction, manufacturing, and automotive repair throughout Pennsylvania. Step 5. Continue your education. Welding technology and techniques are constantly evolving. Continuing education courses and certifications can help you stay updated with the latest advancements and improve your career prospects. Becoming a welder in Pennsylvania involves a mix of education, hands-on training, and certification. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful and rewarding career in this essential trade. Thanks for watching this episode of Best Trade School Minute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career tips and educational advice. See you next time.